The power cells used in the construction of this 4S pack, which are made in CRG's facility in Miamisburg, Ohio, have 0% Chinese, Russian, North Korean, or Iranian material at Tier 1, and we're currently working to trace our supply chain for these at Tier 2. They are extremely high rate capable and are ideal for VTOL and quadcopter applications. We are taking a COTS lithium-ion pack, just a commercial off-the-shelf pack from a 4S drone, and we're taking the CRG cold weather pack, and we are soaking them in a cold bath that consists of dry ice and a solvent to get them down to a temperature of about -45°C. It's down at temperature. We're going to take the commercial off-the-shelf pack and we're going to connect it to the extension to our drone. And our drone in this case is a little 4S quadcopter. It's sitting on a scale and it's weighed down so that when we try to operate it, that it doesn't take off. And you can see that even though our operator is trying to take the drone to idle and throttle it up, that all it'll do is beep at you. Like the light turns on, it can beep, it's getting a little bit of voltage, but it can't actually get enough power to spin the props. Switch on over to the CRG battery and we're going to see how it does. So it's been cold soaking the same amount of time, and I'm going to check the voltage just to make sure that it is showing what it should, and then we're going to connect it up to the drone. You can also see here, by the way, in the FLIR image in the lower right, that our cold bath just looks like a black hole. It's actually off scale. We can't read down far enough to tell how cold these are. So once again, we're going to take the drone that is on the strap to the weighted box on the scale so that we can measure the thrust, and we're going to go. And lo and behold, we can get it to idle. And then now that it's idling, our operator really gives it the beans, and you can see that if it was not strapped down, it would be taking off. It would be making a break for it. So, and to drive the point home even further, these batteries are not just pre-chilled before they're installed on the drone. They're actually being maintained at -45°C during operation. They are not allowed to warm up. So this is a truly worst case scenario.